Guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. The market is currently crashing right now. I'm gonna start off with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king right now. We got VRA down 10%, very good buy. We're gonna start off with Bitcoin, but before that, let's have a look at yesterday in my video, exactly as predicted what I said. The trend is your friend, guys, remember that. Let's have a look. So as we know, the trend is your friend until we bend. So if we see Bitcoin break above this trend line, I wouldn't be surprised if we see the market bleed. Now, another thing, guys, is we are still in a hidden bearish divergence. The RSI is going down still, and we got an upward. Okay, guys, so this was the trend line. Okay, so let's have a look right now and just, make a little update. It was on the 4-hour time frame, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And as you guys know, as I say in a lot of my videos, the trend is your friend until it bends, guys. The trend is your friend until it bends. So anyway, so this was the trend. We had one touch, two touch. This was a confirmation of a future trend. Okay, so that means that in the future, when we come back to this trend line, you know to make another long and put a stop loss at that trend line. So here, guys, was the trend. Okay, we had another touch right here, and then boom, another touch right here. Now, I said yesterday in my video that once we would break above or below this trend line right here, it would be a nice confirmation for a short. And this is exactly what we are seeing right now. We saw the few touches, and now boom, the trend is your friend until it bends. Where can we see? Where can Bitcoin go? Where can crypto go? Well, my target for this, guys, is at least 42,000, which is right here. We have some strong resistance. We have a few touches right here. Okay, so we have strong support right here at approximately 41,300, 42,000. Okay, so this is interesting. Should you take a short? Yes, at your own risk. I'm not telling you to take a short, but you can at your own risk. Maybe wait for a retest to 47,000. This can be a fake out. Maybe wait for the 4-hour candle to close. We got another hour left. It's very possible that we sweep back up, guys. And every time we have a breakout, as you guys know, we usually come back and retest most of the time. Okay, we usually do something like that before going back down. Is 42,000 a bear market? Are we going to see a bear market? No, and I'm going to get to that in just a second and explain to you guys why. So things are healthy, guys. Very good. Bitcoin is still bullish in my eyes, even though we are below the exponential moving average. Not a bad thing at all. Okay, so we have a few key points right here. Not only are we below the exponential moving average on the 4-hour time frame, but as well we are below the trend line. Okay, having a look on the daily time frame, guys. On the daily time frame, now why 42,000? Okay, why 42,000? Well, let's have a look right here. 42,000 is a very interesting point. Okay, it meets exactly with our last EMA ribbon 55 exponential moving average. Okay, and also we could be supported very well right now by the 20 EMA ribbon. We saw a few touches or a few bounces off the exponential moving average. We saw one right here, and then perhaps we could see another one right here. So this is why, guys, when you're trading, it's very important to use as many tools and as many essentially indicators, whether it's resistance, support, RSI, just to give you a clear confirmation, because one is not enough, guys. And then you take all of this and essentially use probability, statistics, whatever you want to make your trade. Right now we are in a hidden bearish divergence, as I mentioned, guys. As you can see, I said it a couple days ago and a few days ago to be ready. So right now we are breaking down, assuming this is a support right here. We could essentially get rejected or go as low as 50, which is right here, which is this support right here. So we have a nice resistance right here that flips support and a few touches. So it's very possible we get a bounce off this, but this is not the chart, so it's very different. RSI is relative strength index, and it doesn't work like the charts. Anyways, let's have a look at some of the few altcoins, guys. Few of the altcoins that are on sale is Veracity. This line, I told myself that I wouldn't buy and not to FOMO. As you guys can see right here, I actually put an alert a few days ago and it never hit it, which is kind of interesting, because usually when I have an alert, it hits it and then goes away, and it never hit that alert. Now we are crashing down. My target that I told all of my friends was 0.025. Of course, we are on the way there. It's currently at 0.028. So for Veracity, things are looking good, guys. You want to see a retest. This is a time to accumulate. For those of you guys who didn't accumulate and didn't essentially that wanted to buy, I know a lot of you guys wanted to buy Veracity but couldn't. This is the time. Having a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. The Bitcoin dominance still consolidating between these lines. Nothing too much to see over here. We could go as high as 44 until we see a bounce above that, or a bounce below that, or a breakout. I wouldn't be doing anything. If we see a breakout above 45, 44.93 to be exact. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of money starts flowing into Bitcoin, and if we see a break below 43.90, I wouldn't be surprised as well if we see a massive move below it, a massive move towards the altcoins essentially. Another coin I want to have a look at, guys, I promised I would give you guys a REEF update and a REEF TA. So this is it right here. So this is the REEF update on the daily time frame. We are currently coming back and testing the support region. So we had a few touches on this region. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and now we are currently doing a 7th retest. Now, of course, guys, this is going to depend on Bitcoin. That means if Bitcoin keeps dumping, REEF and all the altcoins will dump. This is the reason why I start with Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is king, and the only reason why REEF is dumping right now and all these altcoins, as you guys can see on the red side of my screen, is because Bitcoin's dumping. That's really the only reason why. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure and understand Bitcoin and have it and use it as an indicator before anything else. Having a look on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we are still consolidating. We had this nice little consolidation. We built a nice little support right here on the 4-hour. We had a few touches, about 4 touches, 5, 6, and another rejection. So in my opinion, if we break below that, I wouldn't be surprised if we go to the high 2-cent region right here and test this nearest support. It looks like we're getting rejected right now, which is a good sign. Would I long REEF? No, but make sure to put your stop losses, guys, if you're using high leverage, of course. Having a look at the exponential moving average, we are approximately in between it, nothing too crazy. At the moving average right now, we are retesting the 50 moving average, which is pretty important. I would like to see the 200 moving average by tomorrow or the next day come above the the 2-cent region. That would be pretty good. It means we would essentially have two source of support right here. We'd have the 200 moving average and the regular support line right here. On the daily time frame, nothing too crazy to see over here. Having a look at the EMA ribbon, let's have a look. We are well above the EMA ribbon. I wouldn't be surprised if we look at this, guys. Once again, it collides exactly with the support right here. So as I said, we could go as low as 2 cents in my opinion if we break below this resistance, this support, sorry. And that's it, guys. Of course, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I will be doing everyday updates on YouTube, one or two videos. Of course, if you haven't joined my Telegram group, make sure you do it. It's in the description below, guys. If you want $25 on crypto.com, make sure you do make sure you buy from my referral link. You will get $25. I will get $25, and that's it, guys. Once again, if you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's free. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.